Are you curious how the universe works? Welcome to the subject that study the universe, physics. What is physics? Physics is a branch of science that studies energy, matter, space, and time and their interaction to understand how the universe works. It's a branch of science that seeks to understand everything from the behavior of subatomic particles to the largest galaxy behavior. The subject physics asks fundamental questions such as what is light? What is time? Why do things fall? How do the universe actually begin? Physics actually involve seeking knowledge about the universe and the behavior of things in the universe. In summary, physics studies the basic law of nature and universe and seeks to ask basic questions about this. What is the goal of physics? It's actually to use a small set of basic concept equation and assumption to describe the countless phenomena around us, from the tiny subatomic particles to large galaxies. Let's talk about the branch of physics. They include classical mechanics, thermodynamics, electromagnetism, relativity, quantum mechanics, modern and interdisciplinary fields. Classical mechanics actually study force, motion, energy, and momentum. Have you heard of the word gravity, acceleration, velocity? All these concepts are covered under classical mechanics. Take a look at this moving car. Do you know the knowledge of physics provides the basis for designing this car? And this car is said to be in motion. Number two is thermodynamics, which studies heat, temperature, work, and energy transfer. It actually talks about the relationship between heat, work, and energy. Do you know the knowledge of thermodynamics is important in heating and cooling system, even in power plant design and all that? Very useful. Electromagnetism, which is another branch, studies electricity, light, and magnetism. It involves the study of electric charge and magnetic field, electromagnetic wave, and all that. While relativity describe the relationship between time, space, mass, and energy. Have you heard about GPS, Global Positioning System, and various purposes they use it for? It's actually gotten from the knowledge of relativity. Quantum physics studies atoms, which are very small, and subatomic particles. Now, have you heard of the word LED, light emitting diode, usually used in TVs and all that? You also heard of the word solar panel. You've heard of the word MRI scan, which is magnetic resonance imaging used in the hospital. These actually use the principle of quantum physics, or they use quantum principle. The last branch we're going to talk about is modern and interdisciplinary field, which actually combine all the branches we've talked about before to explore new frontier. What are the career opportunities or choices in physics? You can be a research scientist where you conduct various experiments and analysis in various fields to advance scientific knowledge. You can also be involved in the aviation industry or in development of and design of aircraft, spaceship, and other systems. In education, you can be a teacher, a professor, even a lecturer in physics. That's also a career choice. Or even in medical field, you can be a medical physicist. You know, the MRI scan and all that require knowledge of physics. Even in cancer treatment. Now, this is just an introductory class to physics. In my next video, I'll be explaining further topics. Thanks for watching.